फुड्यान आलं ते
आपले कितले पर्सेंट
झालं नाही. फुल स्ट्रक्चर रेडी आहे. आता फिनिशिंग चालू जातल्या बेगीन.
So by when it will be?
Should be, before the elections, it should be fully ready. And also, it's the MOU is there, which has been also it's on the direction of Honorable Prime Minister. We have undertaken this MOU with Tata Memorial. Means we had taken. He has also congratulated the state of Goa, which is a very big thing because this project has come only because of him. And both the Chief Minister and myself are pursuing and seeing that it is completed on a war footing. गरज आहे त्या सगळ्या गोष्टी. आणि तुमकां पयलीं सांगलेलें गॅप एनालिसिसाची स्टडी केन्नाय घेतली and then they will help us with additional funds.
So last finishing that मिला था.
फिनिशिंग चालू केल्या नाही त्यांनी. स्ट्रक्चर फुल रेडी आहे. 8 का 8 फ्लोर्स रेडी आहे. यू कॅन गो अनदर फ्लोर अप बट ॲट द मोमेंट इट इज स्ट्रक्चर्ड फॉर अबाउट 8 floors.
So before elections.
Should be, that's our target to see, because people from Goa should not go to Bombay to take treatment. They should take treatment within the state of Goa. So that hospital is very crucial for us.
So there was a need of one.
Honorable Chief Minister, I have already moved. I am talking to the finance department also. We require new 100 ambulances. At least if we get another 50 immediately, then we will be able to streamline the functioning of 108 in a very efficient manner. Many times there is a VIP movement is there and several other movements. So 10 ambulances go in that only. So आमकां वेगळे तरेन आमकां पळोवपाक जाय कित्याक वी should not be in such a situation that we need to move an ambulance at a station in a very crucial spot. And our 108s have been doing phenomenal job, and we want to expand it, and also we have put up a proposal to put up a command center in the state of Goa on lines of Gujarat, where the government identifies the land, builds it, and allows them to use the facility. State-of-art command center, so that you know all the movements, everything, exactly which hospital it is going, which doctor in that hospital is going to attend. It's a very professional, latest type of thing on lines of Gujarat. That is what we have proposed to the government, that we need this, and this is the need of the hour.
सगळे ambulance तुम्ही
की आम्ही एडी बी आम्ही सांगलेले आसा. बिल्डिंगाची ऑक्युपन्सी आम्ही दिना आता. बिल्डिंगाची ऑक्युपन्सी दिता जेन्ना बिल्डिंग कंप्लीट जावन तेंचे कडेन 50 फ्लॅटा वयर तेणी पॅरामेडीक आनी तेणी एडी आनी एक मनीस दवरपाक जाय. म्हणजे एमर्जन्सी कसली असल्यार की 50 फ्लॅटा वयर म्हणून सांगल्यार तुमी चिंतात की कितले लोक थंय रावता. आनी त्याच प्रमाणे मागीर आमी एम्ब्युलन्स येसर तो मनीस थंय लक्ष दिवं शकता. एमर्जन्सी जे कितें आहा एमर्जन्सी कितले कमी आमी करूं शकता टायम टू डील विथ एमर्जन्सी. दॅट इज व्हेरी इम्पॉर्टंट. केन्ना केन्ना कोणाचो प्रेशर वयर वयता, केन्ना केन्ना आनी कितें जाता, केन्ना केन्ना छातीन दुखपाक लागता. ह्यो गोष्टी तो मनीस शूड बी केपेबल ऑफ टेकिंग अ ECG एंड डिलिंग विथ इमिजिएट स्मॉल इश्यूज एंड स्मॉल रिलेटेड टू एनी काइंड ऑफ critical, not highly critical, but at least he can manage the person till the ambulance arrives.
So it has been already started.
कायदो तुम्ही आशिल्ले रे, कायदो बदलला नाही आम्ही. टाउन प्लॅनिंगान बदलला आणि हेल्थ डिपार्टमेंटान
पण
बदलला.
हे नवे बिल्डिंग सांग पयलींचे हांकां हे जावचें ना.
ना 50 नवे बिल्डिंग जे आता येतात त्यांच्या खातीर कंपल्सरी करता आमी. ऑक्युपन्सी गावची ना त्याच्या शिवाय.